Investors are always looking for new frontiers, and agriculture could be one of them. Wireless technology is becoming more widespread and as tools to collect data improve. CCTV's Roza Kazan reports.
It also has a return to home mode.
Drones, soil sensors, and mobile apps. Agriculture has gone high-tech, and venture capitalists are taking notice.
We've raised $15 million to date, started with a $1 million seed round, a $4 million Series A, and most recently a $10 million Series B.
Jesse Valmar is the co-founder and CEO of FarmLogs, a startup that uses big data to help farmers analyze their crops.
That's showing us how many inches we've gotten since we planted the field. We can drill in and we can see a day-by-day analysis.
He is one of several U.S.-based agriculture and food startups benefiting from a surge in investor interest. VentureSource, a global database of companies backed by VCs, shows investment in agriculture soaring from just $64 million in 2010 to a whopping total of $700 million by the end of the third quarter of 2015. Back in 2012, when Walmart was starting out, investor interest was a different story.
In 2012, no one in VC wanted to invest in ag tech. They were looking for photo sharing apps and social networks.
Now, with the world's population set to reach 9 billion by 2050, investors are turning to technologies that'll help grow more food, like so-called precision agriculture.
The ability to collect high-resolution aerial data is changing the way the world approaches business.
Another agri-tech startup, Precision Hawk, has raised $11 million in 2 rounds of investment. The company says investors like their combination of drones that collect data and software that helps make sense of it.
We focus our technology around drones, but we also go well into the data analytics side, actually bring those maps and make use out of them.
A new VC fund in Chicago, S2G Ventures, is also betting on these trends and changing consumer demands. It set aside $125 million to invest exclusively in agriculture and food startups.
The food sector is a $1.4 trillion sector. We think the consumer is changing it towards more sustainability, health, and decentralization. We want to feed and finance that changing consumer.
Chicago has long been a trading hub for U.S. agriculture. S2G Ventures believe that will give them an edge in spotting the next big thing in agri-tech. And as more money pours into the sector, the city could become the heartland's very own Silicon Valley. Roza Kazan, CCTV, Chicago.